Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's News Bulletin with me Sangeeta Hiroji. To begin with, let's take a look on today's headlines. Benaulim MLA Kaitan Silva ceased to be an Indian citizen, Ministry of Home Affairs. Sexual harassment at workplace does not have any link with the organization of festival, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. We do not agree with the order issued by Ministry of Home Affairs. Politicization of citizenship issue is a serious matter, Wilfred Miskita. And two-lane road from Panjim to Old Goa to be converted into 4-lane, Chief Minister. Now the news in detail. Under Secretary to Government of India in the letter addressed to the Under Secretary of State Administration said that the Kaitu Silva is ceased to be an Indian citizen after having registered his birth with Central Registry of Birth, Marriage and Death in Lisbon on July 21, 2010, following which he became a Portuguese citizen, informed Advocate Radharao Gracious. Advocate Velanka Alemão said that the central government has given a correct decision and this decision is worth appreciating. MLA Vijay Sardesai said that the BJP government should justify on this matter. Sanjay Manoli from Panjim and Mandar Naik from Margao reports for RDX Goa.
I have just received information that the prescribed authority has passed orders in Delhi holding that Kaitan Rosar Silva is not an Indian national, that he has acquired Portuguese citizenship and therefore lost Indian citizenship. Now the consequences would be that the name of Kaitu will have to be struck off the electoral rolls. He will cease to be an MLA. Of course, for this, we would expect the Speaker and the Election Commission to act immediately because we don't see how a non-citizen can continue to be an MLA.
April case filed an election petition on the same contention. Contention was foreign national sitting in the assembly, foreign citizenship. So एक settled law कि within 45 days एक election petition file कर पाता है. After 45 days you can't file an election petition. So within 45 days माका actual authentic documentation and High Court दिपर जाए because without proper documentation no case is.
नरेंद्र मोदी मध्य प्रदेशाला उलयतना म्हणलें की काँग्रेस आयची आय म्हणून जी आहा ती इटलीचे इट इंडिकेट्स इटली म्हणून. आज दोन आमदार जे गोंयचे बीजेपी सरकाराक सपोर्ट करतात हे आमदार जेन्ना फॉरेनर म्हणून सिद्ध जाल्ले आहा तेन्ना नरेंद्र मोदी बीजेपींतली पी जी आहा ही पुर्तुगाल डज इट इंडिकेट पुर्तुगाल अशें तो म्हणूंक सोदता. डज इट इम्प्लाय दॅट द पी इन द बीजेपी स्टँड्स फॉर पोर्चुगल काय हो लोकांक प्रश्न पडिल्लो आहा आनी हाजेर बीजेपीन उत्तर दिवपाची गरज आहा. चड करून गोंयच्या सरकारान उत्तर दिवपाची गरज आहा. जे लोक देश प्रेमाच्यो खबऱ्यो उलयतात, जे लोक म्हणटा आमी हिंदू राष्ट्रवादी म्हणून नॅशनलिस्ट हिंदू हांकां फॉरेनरांचो सपोर्ट घेवन सरकार चलोवपाचो आहा गोंयांत काय कितें हाजेर सरकारान क्लियर स्टँड सांगपाचो गरज आहा.
Sexual harassment at workplace does not allow any link with the organization of festival, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He said that the DFF have already appointed a committee to probe into the matter and depending on the report of this committee, further actions will be taken. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
It's not related with Goa.
Yeah.
It's related with DFF. We have intimated them. They are taking action as per the guidelines of the Supreme Court.
But how do you see that? Because since the festival is in Goa,
Festival has no link with sexual harassment at workplace. If there is something wrong, it has to be action should be taken as per the Supreme Court guidelines. That is being taken. We have intimated them.
Any case has been lodged.
So there is no need of a case unless sexual harassment is only limited to a particular level. Let them, they have formed a committee, it's a government department.
Okay,
it's not a private organization. They have formed a committee. Based on what the committee report comes, we will take further action if we are required to take action.
Spokesperson of BJP Dr. Wilfred Miskita said they do not agree with the order issued by Ministry of Home Affairs with regards with the nationality of Benavelim MLA Kaitan Silva. Politicization of citizenship issue is a serious matter and it can cause a serious problem for Goans, he added. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
Let me tell you that in principle, Bharatiya Janata Party and its government is against migration of people of Goa. खरें म्हणल्यार आमकां लोक गोंय सोडिल्ले वायट दिसता कित्याक आमकां सगळे आमचे गोंयकार भाव आनी भयणी गोंयांतूच रावपाक जाय. इनफॅक्ट वी फील बॅड. At the same time, we are against de-enfranchising the people of Goa. Because franchise and franchise, de-enfranchising. Because they have a right to decide the destiny of their land. But it is most unfortunate that the issue, I repeat the words, the issue of mere transcription, I repeat the word, mere transcription, mere transcription of the birth of a Goan born before 1961 and he is following 2 generations only is being politicized and being converted into nationality. Do the government of India, because of this political brownie points, just to gain some political mileage because of 1 or 2 men, expects government of Goa to deport them? And where do you deport them? They do not have a Portuguese passport. So you mean to say that by this law the government of India wants Goans to become stateless? They want to become refugees in their own Goa? See, this is a very, very serious order. Although it may not be a judicial order, it is just a mere administrative order which must have been passed by pressure from the congressmen. Thinking that it will affect the Bharatiya Janata Party government, let me make it very clear, my friends, this does not affect even a fraction of millimeter the government of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Let's take a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and multi-cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bhosle, above Cafe Bhosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection.
Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margam, Goa. Contact 9158057860 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
बाय अनु
तू किती पळयता केन्ना पळोवना म्हाका
हे मोठे प्रॉब्लेम गॅसीचे सगळी लोकां त्रास गॅसी लागून आता गोंयकारांनी सगळ्यान एकठांय जावन हे गॅसी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाचे नाजाल्यार सगळे गोंयकार गॅसीचे पडटले.
सो तुम्ही पळोवपाक विसरनाका येवकार आमी गोंयकार RDXाचे.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीतकाय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Food, friends, family and fun, all at Casino Pride. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A place where the party never ends.
कोकणी फिल्म मारियोलाचे स्क्रीनिंग गोयच्या सायबाच्या फेस्ता दिसा सांजेच्या 3:30 वरांचेर हनुमान नाट्यगृह म्हापसा. पळयात मारियोला. डायरेक्टर जो रोज, एक्टर्स विनिशा, केविन, जो रोज, रोजारियो बकेलो आणि हेर कलाकार. तिकेटी हनुमान थिएटराचेर मेवतात.
Road passing through the historical structure should not be used by the vehicles as it may cause harm to the historical structure and therefore it requires an alternate road, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Hence 2-lane road from Panjim to Old Goa will be converted into 4-lane, he added.
What we feel is the road which passes through the heritage structure should not be used by vehicles because it is damaging the heritage structure. The carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide which are released, they will react with the material which is binding the rocks and even the rocks and they can damage it. So there has to be an alternate arrangement. That is why we are before the next 10-year decennial exposition comes, the road from Panji to Old Goa which is 2 lane, will be converted into 4 lane.
The CCTV footage in the Tejpal case has been obtained from the hotel and it will be examined by the technical person, informed DGP OP Mishra. He further informed that the police have asked for the CCTV layout of the hotel for the detailed investigation in the case. Ishwant Parab reports from Panjim.
It is that after registration of the criminal case, a dedicated team has left for New Delhi. The team has also reached Delhi. As per standard protocol in this investigation, what is supposed to be done, that will be done by the investigating team. Rest, other aspects related to the investigation, they are also being followed up by our other team members. Been able to formally obtain the CCTV footage from the venue. That is again being examined because the technical details and the technical logistics required for the analysis of those footage is also a bit complicated. We are trying to get into touch with the concerned agencies also who are going to assist us, but we have formally received it from the hotel. As of now, the hotel authorities have told us that they do not have specific camera inside the elevator. We are getting the detailed layout of cameras in the hotel officially from the hotel, and a detailed analysis will be carried out as per the requirement of the investigation. The exact location, you see the topography and the location of the different residential block in that hotel is much different from a normal hotel. It has complexes, it has guest houses, so their deployment of cameras and other things are also accordingly. So we are trying to ascertain and what is relevant for our purpose of investigation, that is being done.
The upcoming 4-lane highway from Dawarlim to Nesai will be completed within a year and the cost is estimated around 7.5 crores, said Minister Amardino Furtado. He was speaking after inaugurating the work of the 4-lane highway project at Margao. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
I did all my development work now, one by one, all my files I cleared. Today is the first project I have started, widening of the road, which will be 4-lane, and the cost of this project is 7.5 crores. So now I start the work and very soon I am completing it. Like that, many projects have started. In Dawarlim itself, I have a health center, a community hall. Then I have started the development of the football ground. Then I have a bridge across the railway, which I have started, which I will be starting very soon. Like that, there are many projects which I have taken up in Dawarlim. And very soon I will be completing most of these projects.
Power House Junction to Sanjay area junction. Total width रोडाची 4 मीटर, मधी 1 मीटर डिवायडर तेका 4 लेन, आणि ज्या जाग्यार मधी पळय करूं मेळना ते पंचायती कडेन ती मातशी एखादी कमी करतले घरां लागून. बाकी टोटल त्या सायडी 12 मीटर जातलो वायडनींग टोटल रोड इन्क्लुडींग कितलो किलोमीटर टोटल 3 किलोमीटर आणि कॉस्ट तेजो 5.84 crore. 10 years हां 10 years completion 1 year within completion period हांव कंप्लीट करतलो. सांग तुमचे हितून भितर जे तुमकां लागता ते आमी व्हड हें करता म्हणून सांग. हय ते कितें पळय आमी तें डेमोलिश करूं मेळटा ते सगळें आमी करतले आनी रोड टोटल क्लियर करतले. कितलो सायडीन कितलो मिटर टोटल त्या सायडी 6 मीटर ह्या सायडी 6 मीटर टोटल एक्वेशन ह्या हायवे 20 मीटर विथ एक्वेशन 20 मीटर मध्ये 1 मीटर ते डिवायडर आहा बोथ सायड. सो वन डेमोलिशन अजून पर्यंत काय करू ना. हां अजून मला काय केलं आता स्टार्ट करता एक फिक्स स्टार्ट करतले.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave, well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine restaurant. After a 27-year service in Mumbai, now at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Goa. Also One Up Lounge Bar, serving Indian and foreign beverages with dancing lights and DJ music. Thrown open for public from 20th November at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Panji. Uncle's Kitchen and One Up Lounge Bar.
सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
Welcome back. Taking around the specially abled children around IFFI venue was a pleasure, said ESG Vice Chairperson Vishnu Suryabag. Children of School of Appropriate Learning visited IFFI today. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
आज खास इफ्फीचो आनंद आणि खुशी घेवपा खातीर पणजे पावल्यात आणि आमच्या ऑफिसरांनी तांकां पयलीं आयनॉक्स परिसर भवनांत दाखयलो तेन्ना माकिनेज पॅलेस भवनांत दाखयले आणि आता तांकां ते कला अकादमीन घेवन आयला कला अकादमीन तांणी हांगा चित्र प्रदर्शन भरलां तेवूय बीन पळयलें म्हाका दिसता ही एक खोशयेची गजाल कित्याक इफ्फी सदांच सिनियर आसली आनी व्हडल्या खातीर आसता अशें आमी समजतात पूण अशीं जीं स्पेशली एबल भुरग्यां जागी निसर्गान कांय बाबतींत तांचेर अन्याय केला तांकां सुद्दां इफ्फीन सांबाळून घेवप आनी इफ्फीची जी खोशी आसा ती तांकां मेळोवन दिवप हें म्हाका दिसता एक काम आसा आमचें आनी ते भुरग्यांक सगळ्यांक हांव आनी म्हज्या ऑफिशियल्सांनी सगळ्यांनी वेलकम केलें बरे भशेन आनी म्हाकाय खूब खोशी जाली की हें चित्र प्रदर्शन बी तांणी पळयलें आनी ताचो आनंद घेतलो
थँक्यू मातशें तांकां सायट सिंग करता कारण ह्या भुरग्यांक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळना न्ही तांच्या आवय बापूय काय तांकां व्हरूंक शकना ते आर नॉट द डेलिगेट्स सो आमी तांकां अशी भोंवडून हाडटा दाखोवपाक कित्याक तांकां स्कूल फॉर एप्रोप्रिएट लर्निंग पिपल्स मळा ओके ओके आय वील होल्ड दॅट कम
स्कूल फॉर एप्रोप्रिएट लर्निंग मला आनी कितले भुरग्यांक हाडल्या तुमी 45 मुवीक व्हरता तुमकां
ना मुवी करूंक मेळना न्ही तांकां
There was a huge dispute seen between Congress activists on the ground of election of South Goa bloc president. This dispute is mainly going between a Kollam and Margao constituency. Subhash Shirodkar will have to face consequences in upcoming Lok Sabha election if he does not realize and correct his mistake and solve this issue, threatened the Congress workers. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
प्रेस घेवपाचें कारण कित्याक की आमचो GPCCचो प्रेसिडेंट आसा सुभाष शिरोडकर आनी फाटल्या दिसांनी आमचे कुंकळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट अपॉयंट केला मिस्टर आयस एसीस नोरोनाक हेका प्रेजिडेंट म्हणून कुंकळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी ब्लॉक अपॉइंट केलेलो आसा तेजेर आमी स्ट्रॉंगली ओपोज करतात आनी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडटात. कारण कित्याक की आमकां कुंकळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे काँग्रेसाचे जे यूथ काँग्रेस आसात तांकां टोटली बायपास केलेले आसात. आमकां मातशें पूण इंटिमेट करूंक ना, कांयच सांगूंक ना की एका आशिष नोरानाक कुंकळी ब्लॉक काँग्रेस कमिटीचो प्रेजिडेंट करता म्हणून. आमचे कडेन तसो 2-3 हजाराचो यूथ आसा ऑलरेडी आसा. हय, काँग्रेस यूथ आसा. आमी काँग्रेसाचे लास्ट टायम आमी ऑलरेडी सांगलेले इलेक्शनाक 2012 कितें आमकां सन ऑफ सॉयल दिया म्हणून. ताका लागून आमी काँग्रेसाचे एगेन्स्ट गेल्ले. कारण आमकां सन ऑफ सॉयल जाय, आमकां भायलो लोक नाका म्हणून ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा. हेतूंत अशें आसा आमकां तेतूंत प्लॅटफॉर्म अशें आसा की दुसऱ्याच्या खांदार पिस्टॉल दवरून गुळी मारलेली आसा. हय, एका आशिष नोरानाक अपॉइंट केला फकत जोकी आलामा एक प्लॅटफॉर्म करून दवरला एंट्री मारपाक लागून कुंकळी
जाल्यार जोकी आलामा आमी लास्ट इलेक्शनाक सांगिलां की तूं आमकां नाका. 2012 आमी ताका वडीक दिलो की कुंकळ्यांक आमकां आवटसायडर्स नाका आनी तें टेस्ट पडल्यान जायत ट्राय करता कुंकळ्या येवपाक. कुंकळच्या लोकांक ताका नाकार दिला आनी आतां ताणें एक न्यू गेम प्लेन केला. आपणालें पी ए आशिष नोरान जे कोणाक सपोर्टू ना ताका पी ए प्रेजिडेंट केला GPC कुंकळी ब्लॉक प्रेजिडेंटाचो आनी एंट्री मारपाक ट्राय.
We are working towards making Goa a number 1 state in games and sports, said Sports Minister Ramesh Savadkar. He was speaking after felicitating the meritorious sports winner and runner-up of the state secondary and high secondary school sports competition function held at Miramar. Treasurer Arun Bhatt, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs VM Prabhudesai and other dignitaries were present. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim.
Sports department jenna जर एखाद्या फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टिचराकडे येतात त्यामुळे स्वाभाविकपणे संबंध गोंयभरांतले जे खेळामोगी आसा फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टिचर आसात तांकां सगळ्यांक अपेक्षा आसात की स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्रामध्ये कितें तरी चेंजीस जावपाक जाय जातले अशा तरेचो एक दृढ विश्वास सगळ्यांक आशिल्लो. फिजिकल एज्युकेशन क्षेत्र फुडें वचतलो जाता ती स्पोर्ट्सान मोटिवेट करतलो. आमी कितें खंय आमी सरकारान आमी कितें करपाची गरज आसा, सरकारान कितें केलें कसो सपोर्ट केले नंतर तुमी एक्टीव जातले अशा तरेच्यो गोष्टी तांचे कडेन चर्चा करून की तांचे कडल्यान कांय सजेशनां घेवन ते फुडें वचपाक दृश्टीकोनान प्रयत्न करता. हांव म्हणटा की हांगा आयिल्ले आसात की ताणें मेडल विनर हाचो अर्थ तुमी भरपूर कश्ट केला म्हणून तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमकां रिजल्ट मेळ्ळो आसा. तुमी आमच्या हांगे बशिल्ले आसात की स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्रांत तुमी रोल मॉडेल आसा की तुमी तुमच्या क्षेत्रात तुमच्या स्कुलामध्ये बरो रिजल्ट बरो परफॉर्मन्स हाडून जो आसा की नांव कमयलें आसा.
Next 1 year or so, you will see lot of changes, lot of reforms taking place in this sports department. Perhaps post Lusofonia games, because nowadays everybody is busy with Lusofonia games, so we might have faltered here and there. I wouldn't say in the name of Lusofonia games, but since everybody is busy, everybody's concentration and energy is focused on Lusofonia games, we might have faltered here and there in terms of organization of various tournaments or in terms of functions that are held, this type of functions that are held. But we assure you, post Lusofonia games, a lot of things will fall in order, a lot of things will fall in place. We would have international standard facilities in place, and it will bring dramatic changes in the way the sports is administered in the state of Goa.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Benaulim MLA Kaitan Silva says to be an Indian citizen, Ministry of Home Affairs. Sexual harassment at workplace does not have any link with the organization of festival, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. We do not agree with the order issued by Ministry of Home Affairs. Politicization of citizenship issue is a serious matter, Wilfred Miskita. And 2-lane road from Panjim to Old Goa to be converted into 4-lane, Chief Minister. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.